Now, depending on the size of the batteries, if it's all calculated correctly, when you put the system into alarm for a full 15 minutes, we already know that the batteries are good batteries is anywhere between 26.5 to 27.5. So if you run the system for a full 15 minutes and you don't drop less than 2 volts on the battery, you have a good fire alarm system, which means your battery calculations are good, your loads is good, which means it can handle the system if the primary power is not there. So the answer for this will be C, 15. So that will wrap up NICET Level 1 quiz number 10, and I'll catch you in quiz number 11.